First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To use the Gemini API in Google AI Studio, start by opening a project where you want to experiment with Gemini models. Google AI Studio provides a convenient environment for testing prompts and exploring Gemini capabilities before integrating them into your own application. Start by selecting the Gemini model that fits your project, then create a prompt and test how the model responds to different instructions. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize text, generate content, analyze information, write code, or return structured data. Once you're satisfied with the results, look for the option to get or use the API key associated with your Google AI Studio setup. Keep this API key private. Never place a secret API key directly inside publicly accessible front-end code, public repositories, screenshots, or tutorials. Next, open the API documentation or code generation options available in Google AI Studio. Choose your preferred programming language and copy the generated example code. Depending on the current interface and SDK, the exact code and setup process may vary. Add your API key through a secure environment variable or another appropriate secret management method. Then run your application and send a test request to the Gemini API. Check the response and make sure your application is handling the returned content correctly.